how to simplify radical expressions, and we look at basic simplification. We will follow these 4 steps. We'll write the factor pairs of the number, identify perfect squares, rewrite the radical expression with 2 radicals, and we'll simplify. Our first example, simplify root 18. So we first write the factor pairs of the number on the right hand side. Step 2, identify perfect squares. Now, just looking at this, already I can see a perfect square. I see 9. Step 3, rewrite the radical expression. So I know that root 18 is root 9 multiplied by root 2. We then simplify. The square root of 9 is 3, and we still have our root 2. And we're done. Next question, we have the square root of 72. So step 1, factor pairs. Aha, I see the square number 36, so I will use this factor pair. We now simplify the square root of 36, we get 6 root 2. And that's it. Progress check. Have a go yourselves, then check your answers with mine. So our first question, factor pairs for 8. I see the square number 4, so I have my factor pair. Step 3, rewrite the radical expression. And the square root of 4 is 2, and I still have my root 2, and I'm done. Second question, simplify the square root of 50. Factor pairs on the right. Aha, my square number is 25. So, step 3, rewrite the radical expression. We simplify the square root of 25 and we get 5. And there's our final answer. Now on the right side, square root of 400. For those of you that know your square numbers well, you will know that the square root of 400 is 20. And the way that you could do this is by paying careful attention to that 4. You know that the square root of 4 is 2, and you see the 2 zeros after the 4. So you should immediately think, there's a good chance that there is a square root of 400, which is 20. Or you could do the following. Factor pairs of 400. Now most of you should recognize we have 2 square numbers. We've got the 4 and the 100. And the square root of 4 is 2, the square root of 100 is 10, and 2 multiplied by 10 is 20. That's just in case we don't know that 400 is a square number. Our final question requires that we find the square root of 625. Now this is quite a nasty question. What we should notice is that there is the number 25 in 625. So what we should think is, okay, I know that there are 4 groups of 25 in 100. Now we want to try and get to 600. We want to get nice and close to 625. What do we multiply by to get from 100 down to 600? We multiply by 6. Now what we do on one side, we will do on the other side. We will scale up. And 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. Now 24 groups of 25 would give us 600. So we know that 24 groups of 25 is 600. We need 1 additional group of 25 to get to 625. So we can now say that the square root of 625 is 25. We can see it here at the bottom. 25 multiplied by 25 is 625. Hey guys, this is Casey at Onetreemath. If you like the content, please remember to like and subscribe. Also, if you'd like some online tutoring, please email me at onetreemath@gmail.com. Cheers.